we are headed to Red Rock Open Space. It's one of our favorite places to go, and they have an off-leash dog park there that we're going to take the pups to. On the roundabout, we went past the first parking lot. If you go straight, you can go to the third parking lot, but we want to turn right and go to the second parking lot because it's closest to the dog park. And to incline.
Also, if you're into mountain biking, there's like a mountain biking, like mountain biking skate park, and then there's like an off-road course to where you can ride down the hill. There's actually a guy out there working on it right now. Yeah, so if you're into mountain biking, it's a cool spot too.
We are back in the van and Bo is happy about it. Traveling?
Okay, we are headed out of here over to Memorial Park. I think it's less than a 10-minute drive away.
Here we are at Memorial Park. Don't feed the ducks and the geese. Nice big handicap porta potty. If you're into that kind of thing. All kinds of grass space to walk your dog. There's a nice beach here where you can let your dog run in the water. There's tons of trees. You can see someone right there just taking a nap in a hammock. Tons of beautiful space to hang out. Nice picnic table. Have a picnic, have lunch. There's another one. All kinds of shade trees. There's actually some turf and some workout equipment where you could actually get a quick workout in. It's really nice. So the weather started to get a little worse. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, not too bad. So we're just hurry up on some cooking here. We're doing some orange chicken with some jasmine rice. I'm making the sauce from scratch. If you want to see how I do that, comment in the comment section and I'll put the recipe in there. We got some jasmine rice going right there. There is actually the sauce being made. There's some chicken from Applegate, and yeah, we'll let you know when it's finished.